everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay this green screen and blend it with your videos in CapCut PC. So I've just selected a video here. I'm just going to go to the green screen area. You can find green screen literally anywhere, but I'm just going to use one from here. Then I'm going to select this green screen overlay. So select remove background, select chroma key, select the color picker, and you're going to select this color picker and you're going to select the green area. Here you can adjust the intensity and you can even add in shadows. You can also clean up edges, but you'll need the Pro feature for it. Going to select the background video and I'm just going to resize it to fit, well, to try to fit the screen. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.